Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to save Google Gemini AI Conversations. So once you're in your Google Gemini account, it's important to note that your chats are saved automatically in the left-hand side. So you don't have to do anything to save them. Every time you come back and open your account, your previous chats will be there. But if you have like important conversations that you definitely don't want to lose, you can save them off of the platform. So this is how you do it. So I'm going to click on this conversation. And then I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the conversation. I'm going to click on the three dots. And you have a couple of options here. You can export it to docs or create a draft of that conversation in Gmail. So I'll do the first option to start with. I'll export it to docs. And you can see in the bottom left, it's creating a document of this conversation for me. Then I can click to open docs. And I can see that conversation is a document now. And when I go back to my main docs page, I can see it's saved there for me. The other option you have is to create a draft of that conversation in Gmail. So I'm going to click on there and you can see it's creating a draft email for me. And when I open Gmail, you can see it has put that conversation into an email. But if you don't want to send it to someone straight away or do anything with it, just open up your normal Gmail account and you'll see that it's saved in your drafts so you can go back to it later. So that's it. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.